Welcome, dear students. Today now taking a class accountancy, admission of a partner. Okay. So now, at first giving the problem only in the increase in the value of assets. Now given in the problem increase in the value of assets. Okay. Increase in the value of assets from the following balance sheet. From the following balance sheet, of A and B as on 31st December 2019. Now liability rupees, asset rupees. Capital account, capital A 40,000, B 20,000, creditors 7,000, cash plant 12,000, building 50,000, stock 2,000, cash at bank 2,000, cash 1,000. $67,000. Okay. Now, in the balance sheet is liability capital A 40,000, B 20,000, capital A 40,000, B 20,000, creditor 7,000, plant 12,000, building 50,000, stock 2,000, cash at bank 2,000, cash 1,000. Okay. Now past journal entries. Past journal entries regarding revaluation also show its effect on its effect in the new balance sheet, in the new balance sheet in the following cases. Number 1, the value of building having appreciated by both up to brought up to rupees 60,000. Brought up to rupees 60,000. Okay, clear? Number 2, there has been appreciation. There has been appreciation in the value of the stock, in the value of the stock by 5%. There has been appreciation in the value of stock by 5%. Number 3, there has been increase in the increase in the value of value of the plant by rupees 7,000. Number 4, the value of building be appreciated by 120%. The value of building be appreciated by 120%. Appreciated by 120%. Appreciated by 120%. Next, number 5, the value of building be increased to the value of building be increased to increase to 120%. Number 6, the value of building be appreciated by 120% more, by 120% more. Next, the value of building be valued at the value of building be valued at 120%. The value of building up to market value, the value of building up to market value, up to its market value, which is 20% more, which is 20% more. Okay, this is a 20% or more. Okay, the past journal entry is now the value of building be increased by 120%. The value of building appreciated by 120% or more. The value of building be valued at 120%, and now the value of building up to its market value, which 20% up to market value is 20% more. Now the prepare a journal entry. Okay, clear? Number 1, building account debit to devaluation account. Building account debit to revaluation account. Now building on 50,000, the value of building having appreciated by 60,000, so now increase only 10,000. Being increase in value of building, being increase in value of building, increase in value of building. Number 2, stock. Number 2, the stock has been appreciated in the stock 5%. Stock now 200. The stock account debit to devaluation account. Stock account debit to revaluation account. $100. Being increase in value of stock, being increase in value of stock. Next, number 3, there has been increase in the value of plant by rupees 7,000. Plant will be now 12,000. The plant account debit to devaluation account. Plant account debit to revaluation account 7,000. Okay. The being the increase the value of plant, being the increase in the value of plant, increase in the value of plant, increase in the value of plant. Next, the value of building to appreciate by 120%. The value of building appreciated by 120%. Building account debit to devaluation account. Building account debit. Building account debit to devaluation account. Building account debit to devaluation account 60,000. Being increased value of building, being increase in the value of building. Number 5, the value of building increased at 2 the building account debit to revaluation account. Building account debit, building account debit to revaluation account. $10,000. Being increase the value of building, being increase the value of building. Okay. So now new value, now here is new value of building. Now here is new value of building. New value of building rupees 50,000 into 120 by 100 is equal to rupees 60,000. The appreciation is is 60,000 minus 50,000 rupees 10,000. Now the building value shown in the balance sheet 60,000. Now the building value shown in the building value is shown in the balance sheet 60,000. Okay. Seven, the value of building at 120%. The building account debit to building account debit to revaluation account. $10,000. The being increase in the value of building, being increase in the value of being increase in the value of building, being increase in the value of building. Note, new value of building, new value of building rupees 50,000 into 120 by 1100 rupees 60,000. The appreciation is rupees minus 10,000. Now, seventh problem is the value of building be valued at 120%. Value of building is valued at the building account debit to revaluation account 10,000, being the increase in the value of building. Note, new value of building 50,000 into 120 by 100, rupees 60,000. The appreciation is 60,000 minus 50,000, rupees 10,000. Appreciation 60,000 minus 50,000 is equal to rupees 10,000. Okay. Next, number 8, the value of building up to its market value, which is 20% more. The value of building up to its market value, which is 20% more. The value of building, next, the value of building up to its market value, which is 20% more. The building account debit to devaluation account. The now building account debit to revaluation account. Building account debit to revaluation account. Ten thousand, being the increase in value of increase in the value of building, increase in the value of building at market value. Building account debit to revaluation account. Now, being increase in the value of building at market value. Increase in the value of building at market value. Okay. Number 8. Number 8 problem is the value of building up to its market value, which is 20% more. The building account debit to revaluation account being increase in the value of building at market value. Increase in the value of building at market value. Clear? Now, effects in the balance sheet. Now, this adjustment is effects in the balance sheet. Effects in the balance sheet. Number 1, building will be shown building will be shown at its present value, that is rupees 60,000. Number 2, stock account will be shown. Stock account will be shown. Stock account will be shown both old value plus appreciation value. Old value plus appreciation value, that is 2,000 plus rupees 2,100. Stock will be shown both old value plus appreciation value, that is 2,000 plus 100. 2,000 plus 100 is equal to rupees 20, 2,100. And number 3, planned account will be shown. Planned account will be shown in the new balance. Shown in the new balance sheet. After adding increase in full value. After adding increase in the full value. That is 12,000. That is rupees 12,000 plus 7,000, rupees 19,000. Okay, clear? 12,000 plus 7,000 is rupees 19,000. Planned account will be shown in the new balance sheet after adding increase in the full value, that is 12,000 plus 7,000 is rupees 19,000. Okay, thank you. To this now end my class. Goodbye.